This animal made humans powerful. Stop scrolling. Before cars, before money, before kings, this animal made humans powerful. It's called boss. Not just a cow, not just a bull. Boss is the reason humans stopped being weak. This animal turned jungles into farms, pulled war supplies, fed entire civilizations, replaced human labor. Without boss, humans would still be digging fields by hand. Fun fact, in ancient times, cattle, currency. More boss, more power. That's why many cultures didn't worship gods first. They protected boss first. This animal didn't roar, it didn't hunt, but it built the world silently. Remember this, no boss, no civilization. Follow for brutal animal truths.